look at this amazing Father's Day gift idea. It is a power strip with spots for 6 different cords. And it has a great surge protector. And I also really like this detail of that it has 5 inches measured out on one side and a nice kind of dark gray font against white to give it a really clear appearance. But the best aspect of this power strip is, and what sets it apart, is that in the middle it says "Best Dad Ever" with a mustache above it and a bow tie below it. So it's just kind of a really fun tongue-in-cheek Father's Day gift, so that you can, or so that the father in your life can be reminded that they are loved anytime they plug in their computer or a power tool or anything else. So I just love it. This also it's possible to wall mount this, for that nice kind of wire-free or cord-free design. It could be mounted on the wall up high or down low behind like a desk. So that's a great option. It comes with 4 black screws so that you can mount it. And it also comes with, a great simple little instruction booklet. So just a fantastic Father's Day gift, if you're, tired of getting the ties and mugs and spatulas.